Yung notion kasi na napaka-expensive ng pagiging drag queen from wigs, makeups,
Expensive ba 'to?
accessories,
Hindi
sa
naman.
dress.
Chip-chip ko nga eh.
So yun, yun yung nag-hold back sa akin from doing drag.
Well, ako honestly, you already have experience in transformation. For me, before I became a drag queen, I was a cosplayer. So, naintindihan ko na malapit yung pagko-cosplay in a way in doing drag. My question is, di ba mahal din naman mag-cosplay?
Mahal mag-cosplay, yun. Mahal mag-cosplay kasi makeup din.
Oo.
Tapos yung costume, hindi naman basta-basta, lalo pag gusto mo maganda yung quality, nag-ranges siya from 10 to 20,000, even hundreds of thousand para
Correct.
makapag-cosplay.
Same. I think for drag kasi, if you love it so much, you'd be willing to shelve whatever resources you have. And it doesn't mean that it takes a lot of resources then, correct?
Yeah. I mean, but aside from, the costing, I wonder what the difference is in terms of the reasoning.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oo, sabagay.
what's our drive as drag queens? Why do we do drag, and what's the drive for cosplayers? right?
Correct. O sige, what's the drive for cosplayers?
At first, it's a way for me to somehow escape reality.
Okay.
And syempre, nung bata naman kasi tayo, 'di ba? If gusto mo si Wonder Woman, you want to be as is, you want to be like her.
Correct.
Ganun din ako, ang aking idolo nung bata ako si Deadpool tsaka si Spider-Man. So nung bata ako, lagi kong pangarap 'yon, lagi kong dream 'yon na one day makapagsuot ako ng costume nila and matawag ding hero. So, nung nalaman ko si cosplay, ay pwede pala. So yun, nagsimula na akong mag-grind, nagsimula na akong magtrabaho, nagsimula na akong humanap ng pera para lang matustusan yung cosplay journey ko.
Eh, di wag na nating patagalin pa, di ba? Mga pura. Simulan na natin yung transformation before that, we need to ask him. Your pronouns are him, right?
What are your pronouns pala?
Oo
How do you
nga.
identify?
I'm straight.
Yun.
Pero yung iba yung pronoun.
Oo, he, him.
Oo.
Wala kasi ako masyadong alam dun sa pronoun.
Pero
Pasabog
gusto-
yun.
Oo.
Gusto mo lang
Sige,
sabihin na pasabog yun, yung pinaka-first guest natin.
Oo.
Is straight, di ba?
Sa mata ko kasi lahat bakla. Pero ako lang yun. Oo.